Hi, I'm Maylin from Nightshade restaurant downtown Los Angeles in the Arts District. So today we're going to be making Hokkaido scallops with coconut vinaigrette, some crispy ginger, and coriander. We're going to start off with peeling the ginger, do a very thin julienne, and then we're going to fry up the ginger. Place it in a pot with cold oil, and you're just going to bring that up together. Serrano chilies. We're going to take our scallops here. We have some Hokkaido scallops from Japan. We're going to take off the muscle here. We actually save these at the restaurant and we use them to make our XO sauce for our congee. And then we're just going to place the scallops in a bowl with salt and sugar, some water, and we're going to brine these for about 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and check the ginger. At this stage, it's going to get really close into finishing, so you just want to keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn. Here we have our crispy ginger. We'll go ahead and check our scallops. They should be finishing up brining right about now. I'm just going to pat them dry on a paper towel. And what brining does is it actually firms up the flesh. You just pat them lightly so you don't break the scallop. We're gonna go ahead and slice a few of our pickled red onions. Slice our scallops onto the plate. I'm gonna sprinkle some pink peppercorns. Just gonna crush them with our fingers. We'll go ahead and add our serrano chilies, pickled red onions. Just gonna fill in the corners. Then we're gonna top it off with our ginger. We also have our vinaigrette that we make for this dish. It's coconut milk and house-made coconut vinegar. So we take coconut juice, we age it in-house, and we also make some cilantro oil to go in with the vinaigrette. So here we have Hokkaido scallops with coconut vinaigrette, crispy ginger, and coriander.